This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the environment. Check Windows 10 or 11 or Chrome OS and make sure Chrome is updated so themes apply correctly. Once done, close extra apps to avoid conflicts, then open Settings and go straight to Personalization on Windows or Chrome Menu Settings appearance. This gets you to color and theme controls quickly. Make sure you have admin access if required. Otherwise, you might be blocked from applying system-wide colors. Next, decide how to change the taskbar color. For a system-wide change, use Windows Personalization colors, and toggle Show Accent Color on Start, Taskbar, and Action Center. Alternatively, pick a Chrome theme from the web store to tint browser elements without altering the OS. If you need an exact shade, choose Custom Color and enter a HEX or RGB value. For accessibility, consider a high contrast option. Make the selection and finally, apply the change and confirm it appears on the taskbar. In Windows, you may need to restart Explorer or sign out and back in for system colors to update. If a Chrome theme doesn't show, clear the browser theme cache or remove and reinstall the theme. Make sure transparency effects aren't interfering, and verify account sync isn't overriding local settings. If problems persist, reset color settings to default, then reapply a single change to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.